Hi, in this tutorial we will see some settings in global mesh control. So right click generate mesh. Go to details. So here you can see in each this thickness it is only one element is there everywhere. Here also. So first we will see the quality of mesh. Mesh metric, change it to element quality. So here you can see this mesh metric minimum is less. This is approximately 0. So for better quality this should be more than or equals to 0.2. So here in this mesh all the elements are set. If you want to improve this minimum then we have to change some settings. So let's see. We will start from the beginning. Element size, sizing. So first we are going to change this adaptive sizing to no. Okay. Capture curvature, yes. Capture proximity, yes. So number of cell across gap. So it is showing by default 3. Gap 3 means here 3 elements will be there. Okay. Error limits change it to standard mechanical. Okay. So now we are going to first we should clear this generated data. Yes. Then we should generate mesh. So you can see mesh quality. Now it has been improved. So number cell across gap 3. So here you can see 3. 3 it is showing. So if we reduce the 2, then clear generated data, generate mesh. So now it has become 2. Okay. Okay. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to change default size. So you can see here it is showing 18.122 mm. So this element size and this adaptive sizing and the feature sizing, all these are related to with this one. If I change this element size, all this default value will also change. So I'm going to change it to 5 mm. Clear generated data. Now again generate mesh. So you can see the default size has also been changed, but mesh metric element quality has been reduced. So what we will do, I'm going to reduce this by 2 mm. Clear generated data, generate mesh. So here number of cell across gap also I'm going to change. Okay. Clear generated data. Now generate mesh. So now it has been improved. Okay, thank you.